Okay guys, I think the package was delivered. And there it is. The package from JSA. Okay guys, so the box is here. This was, if you don't know, I purchased this Mike Webster signed football at an estate sale for $10. Came home, I listed it for a little over $400, and I instantly had a buyer reach out to me and made an offer of $350. At that point, I just couldn't sell it. I figured they were going to send it away to JSA, and I wanted to send it away myself. I'd rather have it come back as real and not fake, which I was very confident that this was going to come back real. So I wanted to send it away, and I weighed my options and I declined the offer. And I told the buyer, I said, I'm going to send this away. If it comes back real, I will relist it. So this is it. I sent this away, I think sometime towards the end of March. They told me 2 to 3 weeks, and it came back pretty quickly. So I've been waiting for this, so let's open this up and let's see if this ball came back real. I'll also put a link up above for a video where I found this ball at. So if this does come back real, I am going to probably list it for right around 1,000, just because there's none listed on eBay, and it will also be certified. So the box did take a pretty good beating, but that's okay. I guess I should check the packing slip first, because I've honestly never sent anything to JSA before, so I'm not even sure what to expect. So there's nothing there. Okay. And they don't even tell you. I wish they would kind of tell you online, like, is it real? Like, it's kind of some suspense. Gotta spit that out. Okay, guys, there's a flat rate envelope here. Is that a good sign? There's nothing in the flat rate envelope. So there's the box I actually shipped it in. This is there it is, guys. It came back as authentic. There is the letter of authenticity. Holy cow. There's the letter of authenticity right there. Shows a picture of the autograph. This was very nerve-wracking, because I honestly had no idea, like, what. I was worried, because it's based on an opinion, and I think they were supposed to put a sticker on the ball too. But I guess it doesn't look like they did. So there's the football right there, which I won. Yeah, super cool. So there we go, guys. It has come back authentic. Yeah, so the next step is I'm going to add the letter to the auction and restart it. So super cool. Yeah, really cool. Can't wait to see what this goes for. Hopefully keep your eyes peeled for a future What Sold video, and hopefully you see this one sell. So until next time, guys, remember, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep picking.